Hello! In this video, we will see how to use Google Bard on iPhone. Open up the web browser. Here search Bard Google. Click to open Google Bard. In Bard, click to try Bard. Then scroll down to Terms of Services and click on I agree. Click to continue on Bard as an experiment. Enter a prompt here to get detailed answer of your question. Here you can ask about anything. Like, tell me about cats. It provides you with the detailed answer to your question. Or you can see the search related topics. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.